All right, what's on the bench? This was a device that I built, and it dates from the college days that I had. My college was mostly science, physics and math, but I did a lot of music. I played cello in the orchestra and chamber music. And I was very interested in hands-on type stuff. So I took a shop class. So this was a shop class at my university from the Industrial Arts Department. And it was good that I took that. I learned how to weld and do sheet metal. And this particular project was, we sandcasted the rough casting. So he had, the professor had molds. And we sandcasted some of the parts. The handle was sandcasted and the base was sandcasted. Right? I guess this was sandcasted also. Maybe all these pieces were sandcasted. Yeah, the only piece that wasn't sandcasted was the little linkage here that we had to build ourselves. But everything else was sandcasted. And then we had to machine it. So it was, a rough sand casting. So I polished mine to look super, super nice. And then you had to cut threads on it with, I don't know if we single pointed that or used a tap. I don't remember. I think we must have used a tap because we didn't learn how to use a lathe, I don't think, in that class. Later I took a class with lathes. You can see my threads aren't very good, are they? Yeah, didn't ever notice that. Anyway, and what else did we learn? Yeah, a lot of handwork in that shop class, filing and sanding and things like that. But anyway, the reason I'm showing it is it's going in the trash can because I'm making a room. I'm trying to clean up. I'm trying to get rid of stuff that I've hung on to for 50 years. Yeah, this is at least 50 years old. It's just an object that, it brings me joy when I look at it. But I'm done with the joy. I need the room. We're getting a new carpet, and I'm trying to throw things away so I don't have to pack up and move things off my desk and get new things on my desk. That's what I want. I want to move forward. Definitely want to move forward. Anyway, I thought you'd enjoy looking at it. Maybe I'll save some of the... That's cast aluminum, though. Nah, I don't want to say it's cast aluminum. Probably not very good aluminum. Probably would be a nightmare to put on the lathe and cut. Anyway, there you go. What is it? What is it? Have you guessed? Have you guessed by now? It's a nutcracker. Put your walnut in there, whatever, and wacka wacka. Yeah. I don't have any nuts with me, but I would show how it works. And in honesty, it wasn't a very good nutcracker. It never worked very good for that. Otherwise, I might use it. But yeah, it was just kind of a fun. It was just kind of a fun toy. There you go.